Good morning, all YouTubers. This morning I'm out at a job here in Marrickville for a MyNetFone customer. Now we've spoken to MyNetFone and they've told him that this is definitely an internal cabling issue and he needs to get an ACMA technician to come out and take a look. So we've showed up here today to come and work out what's going on. So basically I'm on the jumpers here that run down to the A side. And we've got a nice clear tone going back up to the apartment and it's testing fine. There's no insulation resistance or anything on the B side going back to the unit. The socket's all nice and good up there, all the copper's nice and shiny. But there's no dial tone on the A side here. And we're getting, it might be hard to see, but we're only getting 1 megabit a second and 70 kilobits upload. So this would be, I would say, an open circuit one leg, and it seems that way too with the FSET. Sometimes with the FSET you'll get a nice clear buzz on one pair and then you'll get a very hardly anything on the second pair. Usually that denotes an open circuit on that on that pair. So this is definitely a network issue in MyNetFone. This has nothing to do with an internal wiring issue. So this will be going back to you. Thank you. Bye.